How's it going, guys? Today is a very exciting day. And you might be asking yourself, why is today more exciting than literally any other day? Well, that is because today, I finally get to show you how to do something that I think a lot of us have been waiting a very long time for on our Quest 2s. If you've read the title, you probably know that we finally have a way of playing Discord, Spotify, and literally any other app in the background on our quests. Yes, this means that you will fully be able to run some Doom music and hammer down some enemies, yes, fully in the background while you're playing games, or let's say talk on a Discord call as well in the background with microphone, audio, and everything else fully working. Of course, sending text through Discord in the background while playing a game would be a little bit more difficult, but any app that you might want is now going to work in the background. You might ask yourself, how is this possible? Well, you can thank Basti. Basti has been working tirelessly to get this working with their Oculus app, and finally, it's here. And I'm going to take you through exactly how you can get it done. So, as usual, in case you guys like this one, slap that little red button down below, and let's make some more room. So first of all, for this, you will need developer mode on, as usual, as you would need to sideload any other Android app. And of course, to sideload Oculus, you will need either an Android phone or a computer running SideQuest, or any other form of ADB. You're going to want the most up-to-date version of Oculus. If you are currently running a version of Oculus that is not up-to-date, this will not work, as this is a brand new feature within the app. So follow the link down below to Basti's GitHub repo and download the version from 2 days ago, or whenever you are watching this. So either V132 or newer. Once you have this downloaded, you're ready and off to go. Now, I feel like it's also a very interesting thing to mention that this app actually lets you remove Facebook from your Oculus device. Of course, this does come along with not being able to use the Oculus Store and things like that, but in case you do want to do that, that is an option in here. So, once you've got the Oculus app, launch SideQuest or any other method of sideloading Android apps to your Quest. This could also be ADB inside the command line. Now, once you've got all of that, grab your Quest, power it on, make sure that developer mode is enabled, and plug it in to your PC. You should see it show up inside Quest right up here. Don't worry, this isn't actually my IP address. This is a local IP address. You pinging this will do absolutely nothing. Click in the top right here and find the app that you just downloaded. Double click on it and install the Oculus app. Now, once you have this done, don't unplug your Quest just yet, as you will need to run another ADB command only once. So then you want to put on your headset, go to all of your apps, up in the top right here, click on unknown sources, and launch Oculus. Now, what's going to be very important right now is that you click remove accounts, and remove all of your accounts. This will not persist after a reboot apparently, so this will come back after a reboot. Don't worry, this is only temporary. Now what you want to do is you want to go back into SideQuest or any other ADB and run the commands that I will have for you down in the description below. To do this, you want to click this button right here, run ADB commands, custom command, and paste this command. Click run command, that says success. So now the device owner is us. So now, hopping back into the Quest, you want to click Enable Background Audio for installed apps. And this you must reapply every time after reboot. I've now enabled it. You can unplug your headset and let's try it out. So I'm going to launch some Spotify. Just before we hop in, however, I do believe that a lot of you might be asking yourself a question. How on earth do you get Discord and Spotify onto the Quest? This is really simple. Go onto any APK sharing site, for example, APK Pure, search for the app that you would want, and download the APK for it. After you have the APK, sideload it through either ADB or SideQuest, just like we sideloaded Oculus. Boom, the app will show up under your Unknown Sources tab. Here's Spotify. Here is my Epidemic Sounds list. So yeah, this kind of works. Let's launch some Robo Recall, and as you can see, the music continues. Perfectly. The issue that happens is changing the song, because of course you need to quit the game to change the song. That's what's great with Spotify though, because all you need to do is use your phone. And just like that, I can change my music going on inside the headset while I'm playing the game. Oh, trick shot. Okay. Yeah, this is epic. Okay, but I know what we're all here for. We're not here for Spotify. We're here for Discord. So I know exactly what to do in this situation. I know the one person I can always call and they will always answer. So we're gonna quit this. We're gonna quit Spotify and we are going to launch Discord. Yes, I have Oh no. I guess he doesn't always answer. Let's go to General VC. I could always just torture my Discord. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. I'm gonna go into it. I need to test something. Is it a very bad microphone? Okay, I'm gonna...
I've seen worse.
You've seen worse? Okay, I'm gonna open up a game now, and I need you to tell me if you can still hear me, because I'm on Quest.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm testing this. I mean, I can still hear you, and the game is on, so it works. Can you hear the game? It's really loud.
No.
My right controller just died. Lovely.
Yeah, it happens sometimes.
Yeah, I'm trying to screen share right now. I want to see if it's able to hear you guys. But I don't think so. As in, I'm casting to PC. That's what I mean. That's what I mean. That's really cool, and it is working in the background. Like I'm using an app right now.
You talk to people who don't have VR.
Oh, you know what? That's actually a really good point. Well, you just saved me from @everyoneing everyone. I was gonna @everyone and force them to get into voice chat. You saved the Discord.
Oh Jesus. Would it end well?
Yeah, I knew that. I was just
when that happened.
I was just saying that would not end well. Actually, I know what this can be useful for. Quest Beat Saber.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Oh wow, yes. That is actually, there we go. Quest multiplayer Beat Saber, because that has no voice chat, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you guys for joining the voice chat. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. You guys are gonna be in a video.
Oh, nice.
You want to say something?
No. Subscribe to Mysticle.
Well, there you go. That works, and it works really well. Like, I can join an app, and it works no problem. And as you heard them say, yes, this has a use case. If you want to chat with people that say don't have a Quest or VR of any sort, yeah, you can chat to them on Discord. And as I mentioned, this is perfect for Beat Saber multiplayer on Quest, which doesn't actually have a voice chat. Because, of course, you won't be playing Spotify in Beat Saber. Or at least I'd hope not. But now what I want to show you guys real quick is what you need to do when you power it back on. Because when you power it back on, there is not going to be any background voice chat or background music after you restart. So let me show you exactly what you need to do to get it back up and running. So you don't actually need to connect it to your PC. The only reason I'm connecting it back up to my PC right now is so that you can see what's happening. So once you return on your Quest, I'm going to just show you that now if I were to launch Spotify, nothing would happen, and I'm going to play a song, and you're going to see the second I launch a game, the music stops. So we no longer have background playback. So what do you do to get that background playback back? Well, all you do, it's really simple, is you launch unknown sources, click on Oculus, and enable background audio. It's literally that simple. And now all we do is we launch our app, and we've got background playback. That is so cool. Wow, Basti, you've done it again. And we can vibe to the music even when the Quest is off my head. So, Basti has done it once again. What can I say? Here we are with something that people have wanted for like the longest time. And Oculus wouldn't give it to us, but the users, they did. And more specifically, Basti, you are an absolute genius. Thank you so much for making this happen. It is going to just change the way people play. Absolutely. Like, for example, as I said, that Beat Saber multiplayer, it is going to change the way people play. So on behalf of the community, thank you so much. Of course, do check out Basti's channel down below, guys. Show them some love. Give them a like on their video. You know, the work they're doing is absolutely incredible. So thank you so much, Basti. And yeah, that is going to be it for today's video, guys. I am so happy that I was able to bring this video to you, and hopefully I could give the joy of this to so much more of you. Enjoy your background music and background audio of anything in the background. Do let me know what you guys use it for, you know? I am very interested to see what apps you guys are going to run in the background. But yeah, if you guys like this one, please leave a like. If you guys disliked it, I guess this button works too, but please tell me why down in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching today. I hope you all have a fantastic day or night. Thank you so much to the Patreons supporting this channel. You guys help me out a ton, paying my bills, paying my subscriptions, and making these videos better. So thank you so much for that. And if you guys would like to support the channel in any way, shape, or form, we've got sick mugs down below that boost your FPS by 300% and merch that does not put a huge ad on anybody. This is actually totally not my merch. But yeah, some people were asking, is this what you think it is? Yes, it is. Check out our Discord down below, check out our Reddit where I want to see you posting your spicy memes, and as usual, in case you guys want to be notified about future content coming up on the channel daily, make sure to smack that subscribe button with your forehead, ding my bell, and see you again in the next video. Peace.